Hello Silicon Soldiers, welcome to the short ChatGPT tutorial. But first, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's like having a conversation with a highly knowledgeable friend who's always ready to help. Now that you know what ChatGPT is, let's dive into our tutorial. First, I'll show how to access ChatGPT from your PC. Let's dive in. First, head to any browser, then search for ChatGPT. Then, open the first link. Here, you need to do some login stuff. After logging in, you will see this interface. Here's the input box. You can type anything to chat with the model. Now, when we know how to open ChatGPT, let's explore some basic examples of what ChatGPT can do. Here, I'm typing explain quantum physics in simple words. The responses were simply amazing. Now, let's open a new chat. Here, watch as ChatGPT effortlessly generates Python program to convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. It gives the exact code to do the thing. Isn't it amazing? ChatGPT can also help you with math problems. Here, I gave it a complex math problem and it provided the exact answer in no time. ChatGPT also can write letters, emails and paragraphs. See how it drafts an email to a boss about resignation. Then summarizes solar technology and even offers a more concise version. Want to make a schedule planner? You can also make this with ChatGPT. Here you can see how I generate a detailed weekly planner with ChatGPT with just a simple prompt. ChatGPT can also summarize a long text into a single paragraph. Here I have an article from BBC. Let me just copy a single section from here and then I'm going to paste it onto ChatGPT and tell it to summarize. Here you can see how it generates a single paragraph from a long text. These were some basic examples of what you can do with ChatGPT. The possibilities with ChatGPT are truly endless. It's groundbreaking the way we're interacting with AI. Now just play around it by yourself. Let's see how we can use ChatGPT on a mobile device. Just head to Play Store, then click on search bar, then type in ChatGPT. Then click on this app and click on install button. After clicking install button, it will begin to install. After being installed, click on the open button. Here you will get an interface like this. Here we also get an input bar, and beside the input bar we also get a voice input bar. We also can use ChatGPT on Chrome browser. Just follow the previous steps to use ChatGPT on a Chrome browser. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting ChatGPT content. See you next time.